On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, we are going to draw the climate change activist Greta Thunberg. We're going to plan this drawing in pencil, pressing very gently, and then we're going to ink it in, and then when it's all dry, we're going to erase those pencil lines so no one will know how you got to be such a great artist. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. This is going to take a little bit of planning, so I'm going to draw kind of a line down the middle there, and what we want to do is draw a box, a square. That feels about right. Is that a square? If you're not sure, get yourself a little piece of paper like that, and then you can mark it off. So that's about right, yeah. So that you can make sure that the sides are all equal, and then kind of just draw a line down the middle and divide that in half. So, and you can do something like that, and then you're going to want to draw the same width again on this side, so that we get an oblong box in 3. And then and then we want to do the same again on this side. So you can mark that off if you like that. This is down below, isn't it? Now right here, this is about where the eyeballs are going to be on either side of that line. And the eyes are going to sort of come, they're going straight across and kind of down and in a bit, like that. And then we'll have eyebrows going about there. And then we want to have a line going across there, and that's going to be about the hairline. And the parting starts about a third way in and comes down like that, curving down, and then we want to go kind of straight across there a bit and then around like that. So the parting, so the hair in the parting is going to come kind of around like that there, and then maybe just go slightly over the top and cut down inside to about there, and then the ears. Now let me put a line right in the middle across there. That's where the nose is going to be, and that's also where the bottom of the ears are going to be as well. So we can put the ears in like that, and from this point here we want to bring the line in just very, very gently from being square. And those are kind of her cheekbones, and we want to have a nice chin in there, and then a curve up on the side to join there, and all must be quite subtle. And here she has her nose, and I think of this very much as a Swedish nose. I'm half Norwegian myself, and so I've known a few Swedish people, and quite often you come across this Swedish nose. It's kind of, I don't know how you would describe it. It's slightly pert, I think is the word. And then we can have, and nowadays Greta tends to wear one plait on one side, but I'm sure she'd change her style and fashion again. And so we'll want to have her sort of t-shirt coming out like that. So now we can ink things in a bit. And what I'm going to do is start from here and curve out and straight across, curve up and out and straight across, and then we're going to draw the eyeballs and the pupils, which are kind of like Pac-Man, so don't fill them in completely, leave a little bit sort of bitten out of them, which is the reflection of light in the eyes. And then we can bring that line back down like that. We want a line above and a line below, and then we want the eyebrows to sort of go across like that, and then her nose will be like that, and let's draw the hair in there, and again down to here, and the hair will be around there, and then we can draw the ears in there. And we want a really gentle curve coming around up there, and a wiggle in the ear and a wiggle in that ear, and then a kind of little smile across there. And then for the plait, we'll go zigzag, 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 and off the screen. And the secret here is to come around, so as if that line is carrying on there, which we're going to do. We're going to carry that line along, and then that's how we do it. It's just curves joining up like that. So the same will happen on this side. Let's start, in fact, with this one. So that will come just slightly further along, along, and along like that. And so that means we want this one to sort of come up there a bit. And then we're going to want to have her t-shirt. And we'll have a bit more t-shirt on this side. And we might have a few odd little wisps of hair sticking out. And then when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines. I think we're going to need a little bit more of the plait there. I think we're going to need some sort of hair like that. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here we'll bring that up there. 2, 3. And then we want to do the plait. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again on the other side like that. And here we're going to do little ones going like that. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And underneath there as well. Then all you need to do is to give her some skin tone, colour in her hair and her eyes, and maybe give her a blue t-shirt. And there you go, how to draw Greta Thunberg real easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back every week for lots more how to draw videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.